In 1986, Chernobyl's disaster site revealed an eerie tale. Amidst the ruins, archaeologists discovered ancient Slavic amulets depicting a mysterious blackbird. These artifacts, dating back to the 10th century, were believed to ward off evil. Intriguingly, locals reported sightings of a dark bird-like creature before the nuclear meltdown, echoing ancient legends. This finding connects past and present fears, highlighting humanity's timeless quest to understand and protect against the unknown. The blackbird's legacy challenges our perception of folklore and reality. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more astonishing discoveries.